What the hell? Why do I look so weird? Where the hell am I? Oh, I better go look for Thomas. Thomas! Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God, this is hard to climb. Why is this a hill? Oh, my God. Thomas! Oh, my God! Oh, my God. Diesel, what the hell is wrong with your face? I could ask the same thing to you, Thomas. Though I feel kind of shorter and I feel weird. Are we in a speedy skip game again? Yes, we're in a speedy skip game. Sadly. Whatever, just shut up. People are trying to get some sleep. Well, Thomas, you're useless. Even Bill and whatever said that gave me the answer. You can't even do shit. I can't move. I can't fucking move.
Don't tell me I have to push you.
Well, it looks like you will have to.
Fuck. Even the other diesels can move on their own. Just fine. Well, fuck, I can't move now because you're too heavy. Do I can try pulling you?
You're failing.
Shut the hell up, Diesel. I know what I'm doing.
Shut the hell up, Thomas. You don't have to do those stupid groaning noises. You only do that when you're with Rosie. And she's not even in this game.
You know what, Diesel? Fuck you.
Wow, what an asshole. Wait, what the fuck was that? Thomas?
Yeah?
What the hell are you doing down there?
Stuck at Disneyland. Look, what do you think, Diesel? I fell down here.
You are an idiot.
Nuh-uh. You are.
No, you.
Just get me out of this pit, alright?
Fuck you, Thomas.
Can you help me?
And no, I'm not helping you.
God damn it.
Baby, Jesus! Oliver, you look ugly. Like, really ugly. Even uglier than usual. You suck, Tom. I hate you. Hey, Jesus, that was scary. Wait a minute. I feel different. I feel shorter and smaller. Douglas got into my makeup again and stole it and threw it over in the sea.
Oh my God, Donna, will you keep it down? I'm trying to sleep.
What? Cranky? How can you put us asleep when it's midday? Or it just turned daytime anyways?
I don't know, and I don't care. Just shut up. Just shut up. Let me sleep. This is the farthest I can turn. This is bullshit.
Ah, yeah, fuck. Whatever, Cranky, you useless, angry green tower. Nobody really likes you. I sell the off for to run things. I sell the off with my daily trade.
And then Donald left the docks. Oh my god, where's my latte? I need to have my latte. Oh my god, wait, what's that sound?
I will tell you, skipper, me trade.
My swears!
Oh, what is going on? Wait, what the fuck? James? What the fuck are you doing here? Why, it's my job to pull these train. You know? Dear God, James. Why do you look like a baby and a pedophile at the same time? I don't know. That's just how Speedy Skip made me. For some odd damn reason. There's no fucking explanation for it. But I just look like this for no apparent reason. Don't know why, but I just do. Anyways, I must depart. Anyways, I must depart. Diesel, you. Diesels are dark and oily. Bye. Wait, fuck, I forgot 2 other fucking flatbeds. Now I am off. Oh no, you don't. This is for not paying me last week. Wait, huh? Wait. What's going on? Where am I going? Huh? Diesel, help me! Help! No, thank you. Wait, I'm not on screen yet. Wait, hold on, what's going on? Wait, hold on. Diesel, help! Help! No. Help! Why am I in here? Cranky let me down. Sorry, not sorry, James. But that's what you get for sleeping with Cranky's wife. Sorry to tell you, but that's what happens when you sleep with Cranky's wife. Time for you to die! Oh shit, you got caught around me. Ah!
Is he dead yet? Is he dead yet? Oh wait. Well, he's probably fine. What do you think of this Diesel?
Well, I certainly think he deserves it for sleeping with, Cranky's wife last night and not paying him enough last night. Because, and besides, no one really likes James anyways because he's a dick. But still, I need to get this train moving. This is a face of a pedophile. Hey, come back here. Huh?
What is it, sir?
Would you like to come with me and see the wonders of the bed and my shed? I love children, and you're a child, and I love you. I want to touch you. You know what I mean?
Oh my God! Thomas told me about people like you. Get away from me!
I will always be lonely.